Hi guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are excited. So you guys, I picked up the Nude Palette. I also picked up the Cool Palette. I also picked up the Rose Palette. I did these for you guys. You better not come get me because I've never tried LA colors and I'm hoping that this is going to be really pigmented. First of all, I really like the packaging. I love that it has the gold and LA colors on the front. It has the highlight, it has the crease colors, the lid colors, and other crease colors too. So it does have some mattes, it does have some shimmers. This is a nude palette. It does come with a little brush that we used to use like a long time ago. Oh, you know what's different about this? So this right here, it feels a little rubbery. Like it's not like it used to be like back in the day when we used to use these. I think it's cute. That's weird. Okay, let's go ahead and swatch these colors right here. So I'm going to swatch this one here, and this one here. Let's just do it right here. So the middle color is a shimmer. I'm guessing that's a shimmer color. I'm going to go ahead and try out the highlight. Ooh, it feels a tiny bit creamy, you guys. Here is the highlight color. So this is a Cool Palette by LA Colors. So look at these colors, you guys. I don't know. Let's go ahead and swatch out this color here. Ooh, that feels a little smooth and silky somewhat. And let's go with this color here. Oh, wow. That's a little creamy right there. Oh my gosh. I hope it does come out on the eyes. So that'd be great. That'd be great. Let's try out this color right here. Oh my gosh. That shimmer one is, yeah, you could definitely see the shimmer one, and I think that one is cute too. It looks like there's going to be fallout, but I don't know how it's going to work on the eyes, you guys. Okay, we're going to go ahead and try the highlight on this one. Oh my gosh, that's almost like a unicorny, you know, the unicorn? You know, I don't know how to explain it. Oh my god, what the F? Let's try out the Rose palette. Let's go ahead and try out the rose shades. Let's go ahead and try out this one here because I feel like this one should be pigmented. And let's try out this one right here. And let's go ahead and try out this one here. It seems to me like there's going to be some fallout on this one too. I am so scared. I'm so freaking scared, you guys. I don't even know why I'm trying this. All right, guys. So I have made my decision to go ahead and try out this color right here. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm doing this. I'm going to go ahead and try this palette out and wish me luck. I'm back. I'm going to be very honest with you guys about this rose palette. I kind of struggled a little bit. So the rose palette that I have right here, I'm going to say that the colors are really easy to work with, but I did struggle a little bit not knowing that if this was going to go wrong or not. You know, from like 0 to 10 on the review and such, I'm going to say it's like a 6. If you really need to put more color on your eyelids, I would really recommend the Glamouflage or any type of primer, a white primer of some sort or whatever. But you would have to really build up a lot, and I am so sorry to tell you guys that, but I am gonna say it is really easy to work with. So they have shimmers in some of these, and they're not as shimmery as you thought it was. Well, at least on the rose palette. I'm not sure on the other palette. The other problem that I did have was also like the colors were like too close together of a match. Not so much mica, pigment in there for it to like, wow, son of a biscuit. You know what I mean? If you are like a beginner in doing makeup and such, and you want to do your eyeshadows, and you want to like have good pigments and such, $3 at Dollar General. If you guys have any questions on anything or whatever, if you guys like my video, go ahead and click the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the notification bell so that way you guys don't miss out if you're a new user. Let me see if I have something else for you guys. I don't know if I have anything else for you guys. Well, one thing, I forgot to put my earrings on, so that's cool. I wasn't even thinking about it. So anyways, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and I hope to see you guys another time. Love you. Bye-bye.